Most people don't even realize that this feature exists. But if you've ever wished ChatGPT could keep track of your work, remember all your preferences, and act exactly how you want it to across multiple sessions, well, then you need to start using projects. Today, I'm going to show you how they work, how to set them up, and why they're going to completely change how you use AI. You'll learn that projects aren't just about storing conversations. They allow you to create a dedicated AI workspace that remembers everything that you need about a specific project, including files and instructions. And you'll feel pretty good knowing that GPT's finally working the way that you need it to without starting from scratch. But come on, if you've been using ChatGPT regularly, you've probably run into this. You start a great conversation, but then you come back later and then GPT's forgotten everything. You've uploaded a document for analytics, but then the next time you go to re-upload it, you wish ChatGPT could just consistently follow your preferred tone or format, or even your workflow. But it doesn't carry over between the chats. You struggle to keep your ideas organized across all those different chats. If you've been like me, you've had to copy and paste into like a doc file just to keep track of them. But that's exactly what projects solve. A project is a workspace inside ChatGPT where everything stays organized and connected. It's built for long-term tasks. It lets you keep all related conversations, files, research, everything in one place. Work on ongoing projects without losing that context. Once you've set the custom instructions, AI knows exactly how to work with what's inside that project. Think of it as really an AI-powered office where everything stays exactly where you left it, including all those preferences. The most powerful feature inside a project is adding more instructions and knowledge base files about that project. In GPTs, you can create specialized AI models, but in projects, you can customize the behavior specifically for that project by adding specific files in the instructions. For example, let's say you're running a marketing campaign. You can set the instructions to always use a casual, persuasive tone, focus on short form content, and then upload any specific files or information about your marketing. Like say you have certain days, certain specials, certain contests throughout the month. Now, every conversation within that project will follow these rules. It's like training an assistant to know exactly how you want them to work, and you're never going to repeat yourself. So how do you use a project? Here's a great example. Let's say you run a local bakery and you want to streamline that marketing campaign and your customer engagement using ChatGPT. So first, we're going to open up ChatGPT, hit that little plus button for a new project. Step one, we're just going to create a project name, bakery marketing, and customer engagement. Now let's have a quick look around here. Here is where you add knowledge base or files, and here is where we create custom instructions for this specific project. So step two, we can upload files, add our menu, add special promotions, customer feedback reports, and now AI can reference them within this project anytime. Step three, custom instructions. Tell ChatGPT, always write in a warm, friendly tone. Suggest weekly social media posts that match the seasonal trends. Prioritize responding to customer complaints professionally and with win-win solutions. Now, step four, start working with it. I need a social media post. Ask ChatGPT to generate one that fits your style, that mentions your current promotions. Need an email response to a customer. ChatGPT will remember your preferred format and use the right level of professionalism. You want sales insights. ChatGPT can analyze uploaded customer feedback and suggest menu changes based on what's trending. Instead of managing these in all sorts of random chats, now everything's organized in one space, and ChatGPT can adapt to your needs automatically. Now here's the pro tip. Say you already have important previous chats way down that left side of your screen, scattered everywhere. You can actually move those conversations into the project to keep everything organized and continue working seamlessly without losing some of that progress that you've already put in. So when do you use a project? If you're going to ask a quick one-time question, you probably don't need a project. But if you're going to be working on something ongoing, a business plan that's going to evolve over time, content strategy with multiple drafts and revisions, long-term research projects with organized data, structured AI workflow of customer service or sales, then projects will save you time, hours and hours of frustration, and custom instructions will make sure GPT works the way you need it to every time. If you've been using ChatGPT without projects, you're making your life way harder than it needs to be. Go set up your first project. Let me know in the comments how it works out, or maybe just let me know what the first thing is you're going to use it for. And if you want more hands-on AI tips, hit the subscribe notification and like this video so I can create more of them. And I'm going to see you in the next one.